My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware that is called Fargo. It is also known as TargetCompany ransomware. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this particular ransomware affects your files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be injected into the computer. It is called Fargo because it adds this special Fargo extension to the files. So you try to open the file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Fargo extension. And this is the ransom note that the ransomware reveals to you. It says that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get it restored, to get your files restored. The point is that even if you pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that your files would be decrypted. And if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money without getting your files recovered. So be careful, don't ever interact with these deceptive statements, with this deceptive ransom note. Indeed, your files are encrypted, but if you pay that ransom, there is no guarantee that your files would be recovered. The ransom note also indicates some email addresses telling you to contact the developers for decryption help, but contacting them again does not mean anything. There is no evidence that these criminals would keep their words and recover your data if you pay the ransom. First thing I recommend you to do is to carefully research the task manager. So if you find any suspicious processes here, you should right-click on them and terminate them. This could help you save at least some of the files from being encrypted. The second step I recommend you to do, to accomplish, is to scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete this particular ransomware and to remove other threats that could possibly remain on your device. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and begin researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. So the application will begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying the majority of threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other malware. And most importantly, Combo Cleaner is also provided with the feature to detect ransomware type infections, including this Fargo ransomware from the TargetCompany family. Now, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed. The program Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. And based on that summary information, you'll be able to remove some of those threats manually. Even though we do recommend that you upgrade to the premium license, and this is the best way to keep your computer always protected in the future. So, as I said, there will be the summary of threats. You see their locations on your system. You know that the situation is pretty severe. So upgrading to Premium will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. And remember that you can always ask for the free trial key to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Premium.